Dad, this is going to be a little bit longer of a tutorial because this is The Night They Drove Old Dixie Down. And I'll put the chords up in the corner here while I play it. Virgil Kane is the name, and I served on the Danville train till Storman's cavalry came and they tore up the tracks again. In the winter of '65, we were hungry but just barely alive. By May the 10th, Richmond had fell into top. I remember all so well the night they drove old Dixie down, when all the bells were ringing the night. They drove old Dixie down, when all the people were singing. They went na 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 na. There's a little tag right there. It goes back into the verse. Like my father before me. But it just repeats that over and over. So that's how you play The Night They Drove Old Dixie Down.